In the Easy software, you can always find guidance for tips and tricks by clicking on the question mark icon. This will help you throughout the whole planning. To detect the nerve canal, first select the jaw side that you want to start with. Place the first marker on the foramen mandibulae. Use the slider to change the view and define the next points step by step following the nerve canal. Once you have placed all markers, click on Auto Detect to finalize the nerve canal detection. This needs to be done precisely, as the final implant selection and position is based on this anatomical information. Now select the other jaw side and repeat the same steps for the detection of the second nerve canal.